Come on. There we go. Now we're live. Okay, review day today. So today's date 5:30. Wow, we're almost there. 5:30:19. Okay, so I'll do a lot of my work probably on a separate sheet of paper because that'll help me out. Okay. So if I take a look at number one, it's like the ice cream cone theorem. I mean, these two have to be equal, right?
Yeah.
So really, I'm going to take on number one, and I'll do it on a separate sheet of paper. I'm going to go really my 2x squared plus 4 equals 22, right? So it's really the ice cream cone theorem. You guys can see that, right? Sure. And then I'm just going to solve for x. So I'm going to go minus 4, 2x squared equals 18, right? Divide by 2. X squared equals 9. Square root x equals 3. Thumbs up? Okay. And all it asks is just for the value of x, so we're done. Right? We can plug it back in, but we already know it's 22, right?
Yeah.
So it's not worth plugging it back in anyway, okay? Number 2, am I going okay? I'm not going too fast? Okay. Number 2, I'm going to draw this like our warm-up. Okay.
Wait, can you give me a second?
I sure will. Happy to, right? Okay, so on number 2.
On the test, would you put like a little square to signify that's a right angle?
I won't. Good question. But then here's the thing. It says tangency, okay? So great question. Because it's tangent, it has to be 90.
It's tangent.
So it's pretty much
Right. But by saying that, it has to be 90. Does that make sense? Good question. Okay, it has to be 90 percent, okay? Nick, yeah, you got one. So in this case, this x, if I look at the circle, this x is on the outside of the circle. This is the radius, so this is also 9. Okay, let me draw it again so you guys can see. Let me draw it this way, okay? So if I look at it, the 9 is here as well, right? So this length is a 9 plus x. You guys see that? You see it's 9 plus x? So what I'm going to set up is 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 9 plus x squared, right? And I'm going to do that on a separate sheet of paper, but I just want you to see it, okay? So I'm going to go 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 9 plus x squared, right? And then 81 plus 144 equals, and just like Nick did on the warm-up, I'm going to write this twice. Sorry, it's plus. I'm going to write it twice, and I'm going to multiply it out, okay? 81 plus 144, I think 169, I think so. 81 plus 144, 225, so it's 225. And then this is going to equal 81 plus 9x plus another 9x plus x squared, okay? Let's see. Yeah, subtract 81. Great idea. Okay, 225 minus 81. Yeah, Artum, you're on top of this. 144 equals an 18x plus x squared. Now, here comes the bummer, okay? We're going to have to factor. Okay, so I'm going to bring over the 144. 0 equals x squared plus 18x minus 144. Okay, 144. 12, I don't know, 144 divided by, let's see, 9 and 3. Hold on, 144 divided by 9. Let's see what I get. 9 is 16. That won't work. 144, that won't work. I'm going to work on this, see if somebody else can get it. 144. Okay, hold on. I'm working on it. Somebody gets it first, let me know, okay? What else makes 144? 12 and 12 won't work, right?
No.
11. What do you say? 6 and what? That'll work. Nice job, Aiden. Because that'll make an 18, won't it?
Yeah.
6 and 24. Nice job, Aiden. Thank you. I knew somebody would get it before me. So 0 equals parentheses, parentheses, parentheses. I've got x x, positive 24, negative 6, right? Many equations, x equals negative 24 and x equals 6. Now it can't be negative, right? Can't be negative because it's a length. So we threw it out and x is 6. Good job, Aiden. Cool. Okay. Number 3. Okay. All right. So these two obviously have to be equal. You guys agree on number 3?
Right angle?
Yeah, because of the right angle. So I've got a 7x minus 13 equals a 9x minus 23, right?
Are those two different right triangles?
They are two different right triangles. Yeah. So minus 7x minus 7x. Negative 13 equals a 2x minus 23, right?
Yep.
Plus 23 plus 23. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. That's the one.
Minus.
So I've got a 10 equals 2x. Divide by 2. X equals 5. Okay.
Wait.
You get negative 13.
It's in the problem.
Oh.
It's all good.
No.
Okay, tell me when you're ready for 4.
Not ready.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
I'm ready.
I'm good.
Okay, Damien, I'll wait for you too, okay? Okay, now number 4 is like our warm-up. It is just like a warm-up. Let's put this as R for the radius, and we'll put this for R for the radius, okay? And I'll set it up here, and then I'll do the work on my paper, okay? So I'm going to go Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to go R squared plus 45 squared equals R plus 25 squared, okay? So number 4, I'm going to go, all right, R squared plus 45 squared equals R plus 25 times another R plus 25. How am I doing? Doing okay? Am I going a little fast? I don't know. What's 45 squared? I don't know. That's what calculators are invented for, right? 2025. So I got R squared plus 2025 equals R squared plus 25R plus 25R plus 25 times 25, 625. Okay? R squareds cancel, right? Okay. So I've got a 2025 equals a 50R plus 625 minus 625 and I get 1400 equals 50R. Divide by 50. I like you here. And I get 28. Okay, how's that? Bueno?
That was a lot of work.
It was a lot of work. I know. But you guys are going to Algebra 2 next year, right? Maybe.
I'm going personal finance.
Right? Personal finance is fine too. Yeah.
You pushed up a tiny bit?
Oh, because the length from here to here is R and then 25, right?
Yeah.
Which is R plus 25 is the length.
So why would you just do like R?
Oh, because I'm going to do Pythagorean's theorem, right? Because it's a right triangle. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So R squared plus 45 squared equals R plus 25 squared.
Yeah, why don't you try to R? Square not.
Guys, Dante, I cannot hear her question. Okay, I can't. Say it again, please.
I was asking.
Okay, all right. Number 5. Here comes the easy stuff, right? 5 is easy. Okay, let's see. First of all, 180 degrees minus 63, because I want this angle here. So it's 180 minus 63. That is 117 for that angle and arc. And then I'm also going to go 180 minus my 47 minus my 23, right? 180 is half circle, right? Semicircle. So 180 minus my 47 minus my 23, and I get 110. Okay, that gets easy. Okay, I did half circles, did semicircles, right? That's all I really worked on. Arc BC, well, BC then is going to be 110, right? AED, that's 180. That's easy. Didn't, right?
And make sure you save those for the test.
Right. DB, I agree. D,
Can you just
B,
have the test be just
E.
how-
DBE is all the way around, so if I take 360 and subtract it from 117, that might be the fastest way to get it, right? If I go DBE, right, that'd be the fastest way. I could add them up or subtract that from 160 for 360, right? And I get an answer of about 243.
Wait, BC wouldn't be 110 because 47 plus 43 is actually 90. Oh, it's 23.
Yeah, it's hard to see back there.
43.
Okay,
Yeah, you're right, big.
it's all good. Thumbs up? How am I doing? Thumbs up?
Good.
Okay.
Can you just have
I
the
might have to
test be
borrow
yours
yours.
now?
Isn't that great? I know, love it.
That one-
I know, sorry. But, with this review, we're going to be okay, right? Okay, number 8. So here's how number 8 works, right? Listen, it's outside arc minus its inside arc divided by 2. I'll say it again. It's outside arc minus the inside arc divided by 2. Now, I don't know the inside arc, but I'm going to find it. So the inside arc is going to be 360 minus 250. Okay, I'm going to do that first. 110. Yeah, I didn't need a calculator for that. Silly me. So now, angle X is going to equal 250 minus 110 divided by 2. That's what we do. Exterior angle, outside arc, minus inside arc divided by 2.
Is it 70?
You're probably way ahead of me. Probably, Cameron. Yeah, it is 70, and it is 70. Nice job, Cameron. 70 degrees. Totally right. Now, 9, and you have probably forgotten that, but that's what's the good about the review. Yeah, R2.
So it says find the value of x, y, or z. Is it you mean find any of them? Or is it when you find all of them?
Find all of them, right? Yeah. Okay, so in this case, there's no z, right? Yeah. Okay, number 9, right? Number 9. What we probably don't remember is that opposite angles will be supplementary, not equal, supplementary. So I'm going to take 5x plus 110 equals 180, okay? And I'm going to do 2y plus 104 equals 180, okay? And I'll just do that on a separate sheet of paper, okay? So opposite angles are supplementary. Yeah. That plus that equals 180, and that plus that equals 1. And it's in your notes somewhere. It's one of those things we learned.
Or is that just how it is?
Yeah, that's one of your rules that we learned last week, okay?
I just
Yeah.
have a question. So, like, why isn't it one of the sides? So I thought, like, 5x plus 104 would also equal 180.
Is it a parallelogram? We don't know,
We don't know. Okay.
right? If it was a parallelogram, yes,
Okay.
totally correct, right?
Okay.
I totally agree. Okay, so let me just do the work on paper. Okay, so number 9, I'm going to go 5x plus 110 equals 180. Okay, I can do that. Minus 110, minus 110. 5x equals 70. Divide by 5. What'd you get?
It's not 30.
Is it 14?
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
cut it in half.
It's 14. Okay. And then on the y, I'll do 2y plus 104 equals 180, right? Minus 104 minus 104, right? 180 minus 104, okay, 76. 2y equals 76. Divide by 2, and I get, what, 38. How's that? Okay, thumbs up.
Okay, go on.
right? Oh, that's it. Okay. And number 10, here we go. So number 10. So what we learned was this. If it's an interior, I'll say it and then I'll do it. Big arc plus little arc divided by 2. Big arc plus little arc divided by 2. So I'm just going to go 180 plus 38 divided by 2. And that's all I'm going to do, equals z. So 180 plus 38 divided by 2, and I get an answer of 218 divided by 2. I get 109. That's it. Not easy? Backside, we're getting there. Okay, turn the page. Sorry, Artum. Someday you're going to be a hard-working young man.
Sure about that.
I hope so. Hope so.
I'd rather work smart, not hard.
Well, then, here we go. Let's get an education then, right? Okay. All right. Now, 11. And I'll do the work on computer, but this is an inscribed angle. It's half. It is equal to half its arc. So we're going to go 27x plus 7 equals half of its arc. Okay? And I'll do that work on a separate sheet of paper so you can see it. Yeah, so it equals half its arc. So I'm going to have 27x plus 7 equals, what's half 170? Is it 88? Thank you. And then minus 7. 27x equals, what's that, 81. Divide, and I think I get 3, don't I?
Yep.
Okay, how's that? Okay, 12. So they are not equal. They don't even look equal. Do they look equal? But they're supplementary. They're supplementary. So we're going to take 21x minus 2. Well, I'll put it out. Yeah, 21x minus 2 plus 38x plus 5 equals 180. Okay, and I'll do the work down here. Okay, so they're supplementary. All right. What's that? A 59? Yeah, 59x and plus 3 equals 180 minus 3 minus 3. 59x equals 177. What is that? 3?
Being 3 again?
Might be. Nope. Yep. 177 divided by 59 is 3. X equals 3 again. Wow.
They're a lot easier.
Yeah. Well, hopefully on review day you're going, oh yeah, I kind of remember that, and that helps, right? Kind of remember? Maybe a little bit? No? Okay, sorry. Okay, number 13. Am I going too fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 13. So here's what we learned. They cut each other into pieces, right? So we'll take this piece times this piece equals this piece times this piece. Or we'll go 3 times x equals 2 times x plus 1.5, okay? So then I'll get a 3x equals a 2x plus 3.
Can you move it over?
3 again, wow. Crazy.
Mr. Davis, can you move it over a little bit?
Yeah.
There we go.
Wow, x is 3 again. Look at that. Wow.
Just a second.
Hey, let's make all those answers on the test 3.
I like that, huh?
That sounds...
Yeah, easy grading.
Easy. Okay.
All right. So,
How'd you just do that?
Right, so Cameron, the two chords cut each other into pieces,
Yeah.
right? So when they cut them in pieces, it's this times this equals this times this. You just take their cut up pieces, right? Take the cut pieces, and you take this piece times this piece equals this piece times this piece, okay? All right, 14. So first of all, the center is at 0, -1. Okay, it's the opposite. Remember, it's the opposite. If you need to make yourself a note, opposite, right? And the radius is the square root of 5, which is about 2.2 2.24, blah, 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 okay? Doesn't matter. So, I'm going to go ahead and graph it, right? All right, center's at 0, -1, which is right about there. And I'm going to estimate and see how eggish I can make this, okay? So here's my center. I'm going to go and estimate 2.24. So 1, 2, 2.2 is about there. 1, 2, 2.2 is there. 1, 2.2 is there. 1, 2.2 is there. And then I'm going to do my best to just draw in my egg. Or, ooh, that's terrible.
Oh, Lord.
Man, that's really bad, huh? Hey, but if you have it in the right place and generally the right shape, you're good. Yes.
Can you go over how you do the math again?
Yeah. So let me rewrite this as an x minus 0 squared plus the y plus 1 squared equals 5, okay? So the center is the 0. And Lane, you see the 0, don't you? From here, there's no number.
Yeah.
And then you take the opposite, which is -1. So my center's at 0, -1. Right down there. And then my radius is the square root of that number. And so then I just went from there and went out 2.2, up 2.2, down 2.2, and back 2.2. And then just drew in my egg, hence call it a circle, right? Okay, now 16. Center at 10, -2, and the radius 6. So you have an equation, and your equation is this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And Lane, I think this will help you on your last problem because that's the standard form, right? So all we're going to do is plug 10 and -2 in the formula and 6. That's all we're going to do. 10 is my h, -2 is my k, and 6 is my r. So my answer is going to be an x minus 10 squared, because I put the 10 right there, plus y minus a -2, which I'll change to plus in a second, equals 6 squared, okay? And I'm going to tidy that up. I'll rewrite it as x minus 10 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 36. How's that? Okay. Now, 17, I would really draw a picture. I think if I could draw a picture, I might have a better chance of getting it. So I'm going to just see what's going on. So let's see. Draw a picture. Let's see what I get. -7, 3. All right, so let me go ahead. The center is at -7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Okay. And it's tangent to the y-axis, okay? So that means, really, it's got, and I'm not going to draw it very well, but it's really got to look something like this. Tangent means it's just going to clip it there, right? So what I did is I went straight out from my center, straight out to it, because that'd be a radius, right? The radius would just clip it right there, clip it right there. So now I know the radius. The radius has to be, let's see, I can count it. It's got to be 7. You guys agree? So the radius is 7. So if I need the equation, let's go back to this formula, right? Let's go back to that formula right there. So I'm going to rewrite this as x minus a minus 7, or plus 7 squared, plus y minus 3 squared equals my 7 squared. And of course, I'm going to change 7 squared into 49, right? You okay on the double negative making the positive 7?
Yeah.
I just didn't show the double negative, okay? So, and then I would probably rewrite this as a x plus 7 squared plus a y minus 3 squared equals 49, because 7 squared is 49, okay? How's that? Not bad, is it? Okay, we're almost there. Now 19 endpoints. Yeah, Karen?
What is the tangent to the y-axis then?
So that's
The equation?
right. So it'd just be if you had to draw the circle and skim the y-axis. That's what it means, tangent. So tangent's a line that skims the circle, okay? Now, 19, let's graph this. Again, if I can see it, it helps a lot, right? And this is like our warm-up. So, ooh, man, it's big. I'm going to have to, yeah, 18 and -13. Wow, okay.
Okay, so
I don't know. Wow, I may have to do some math. Might have to do some math. I don't know if I'm going to be able to graph this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, I got it to fit barely. And then 4, negative 3, okay? Wow. Okay, there it is. There it is, right? So my circle goes something like this. Kind of eggish, right? There it is. So the center. Let's count it. Okay, you guys mind count it? Let's count it. Okay, so I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14. So then the midpoint's got to be halfway, right?
7 and 5.
Yeah, 5 and 7. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my center, okay? Now we're getting close, right? We're getting close. So I'm going to go and my center's at the coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and at negative 8. Okay, so there's my center. So here's part of my equation, right? So my equation is going to go something like this. I'm going to have an x minus 11 squared plus y plus 8 squared equals r squared. Now let me show you something that Nina showed you. Nina showed you something really cool. Okay, now one of the ways we can get this radius is with a Pythagorean theorem. Yeah, exactly. So if I make a right triangle here, in fact, let me highlight my right triangle so you guys can see it. All right. I want the radius, right? And I could just use Pythagorean theorem. You guys see that, right? So let's set it up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 5 and 7. Now, what I really need is r squared. I just need r squared, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. But how about equals r squared? So how about we go 5 squared plus 7 squared equals r squared. Same thing as a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? 25 plus 49 equals r squared. I don't know, it's 25 plus 49. I don't know, 25 plus 49. And yeah, it's 74. So r squared is 74. So here's my answer. X minus 11 squared plus y plus 8 squared equals 74. Boom. There it is. That wasn't so bad, was it? As long as you can make your right triangle, it's easy. Thanks, Nina, for showing us that. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
That's okay. We're going to do the last one. Last one. The last one might be kind of an extra credit type problem, right? So let's look at it, okay? The last one's going to be kind of like an extra credit problem, okay? So, here we go. Last one. Who wants extra credit tomorrow? So let's check this one out. Let's see how this works. So, graph the system, okay? So if I graph it, let me get my graph paper, okay? And I know that this is a circle, and the center of this is at 0, 0. And the radius is the square root of 13, okay? All right, let's see what I can do there, okay? See if I can do that. Zero, zero.
The radius is at negative 13.
Square root of 13.
Okay.
Which is about 3.6. So 1, 2, 3.6, right? 1, 2, 3.6. 1, 2, 3.6. 1, 2, 3.6. Okay, so it looks something like this, okay? How's that look? Oh, let's go back a long ways in math. This is a straight line. That's a line. That's a line. Isn't that a straight line? So let's solve for y. So I'm going to solve for y to graph it. So I've got x minus y equals negative 1. To make it easy for me, I'm just going to go plus y. So I'll have a x equals y minus 1. Plus 1 plus 1, I'll have x plus 1 equals y. Now, that's a straight line. Remember doing those? That's a straight line. Start at 1, and then go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay, so I'm going to start at 1. I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, okay? Okay, it looks like it intersects in 2 spots, doesn't it? So it looks like the answers are at 2, 3, answer. And it also looks like it's an answer at 1, 2, 3, so negative 3, negative 2. Answer has 2 points of intersection. That's kind of cool. Yeah.
Figure out